Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Sony ZV-1 II. This is a compact digital camera that's capable of capturing fantastic quality video and photos. Now I got mine from Clifton Cameras. I get pretty much all of my photography and video related accessories and cameras from them, and they offer a superb service, great attention to detail, really good packing, excellent customer service. I can certainly recommend them. So let's get on with the unboxing. This is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I'm going to just cut through the seal on the top here. And let's take a look at what we get inside the box. So on the very top here, we have got a leaflet, which is a 1 year extended warranty. We've got some additional paperwork here about the European guarantee, also some information about how to register your product. And then we've also got some additional paperwork here in some different languages, and then also an accessory guide. And I would assume this is also a getting started or startup guide. A full manual for a product like this is available on the Sony website, of course. Now inside here we have got a little bag, and this is probably going to contain the windshield for the microphone. Let's just open this up and have a look. Yep, I was right. This is the little windshield, clips onto the top of the camera. This particular camera has got a very good microphone system in it, and this just is for use if you're recording outdoors to help with wind noise rejection. And we've also got the camera itself. We'll take a look at that in a short while. In here I'm guessing it is the battery, and that is it in the box. Not even a charging cable included with this particular camera, so if you want to charge it, you're going to have to use your own USB cable. So this uses the Sony NP BX1 battery. It's a 1240 milliamp hour battery. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Wow, looks very nice. Very nice looking camera. So it's a very compact camera. Got a little bit of a grip area just here. You'll see in the lens, of course. The front element here, this is the lens, which has got a nice sort of dust cover over it when it's not in use. I think this is equivalent to 18 to 50 millimeters as well. We look on the bottom of the camera, we've got the threaded mount there for the tripod, which is of course slightly off center. We've also got the door there which we can open. This is where you're going to put the battery and the memory card. We look at a side profile here, you can see the little tiny grip on the side. We've also got some doors that we can open, and they're actually marked with microphone, also USB and HDMI. So we can open these up and you'll see you've got a 3.5mm microphone port. You've got USB-C, and then you've got HDMI or micro HDMI underneath that flap there. Little space for a little wrist strap there as well. This side completely clear. I assume this is a little tiny speaker. And then if we look on the top of the camera here, we have got the multi-interface shoe. So this is great for using external microphones, for example. We've got the built-in microphone just here. We've got the on-off button. We've got the mode button here for photography mode, video mode, and slow motion. We've also got the shutter button, and then a zoom rocker, and we've got a defocus mode here as well, and record for video. If we look on the back, we've got the screen. It's a 3-inch screen, and of course it articulates, so you can have it front facing, you can angle it up and down, or of course you can fold it back down onto the body of the camera. And then you've got a little thumb grip area just here. We've got a function button, menu button. We've got a rotating control just here, which also acts as a 4-way button as well. Selection button in the middle. We've got a trash can and also a playback button. And that is pretty much it. This is a very well made camera. It's got an excellent sensor. And as I mentioned earlier, brilliant photography and video recording capabilities, all the way up to, of course, full 4K resolution. I think Sony have done a fantastic job on this. If you want a compact camera that produces awesome quality for both video and photos, this is well worth checking out. If you want to pick up one for yourself, then please do check out the links down in the video description, where there is of course a link to the Clifton Cameras website. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.